any film that stood out for you last year? Your favourite film?
I loved Inglorious.
Yes.
Yeah, that was really good. And what else did I see? It was a good horror. I liked.
Let one in?
Yes, that was brilliant. Yeah, I loved it. Yeah, that was the one. Yeah, those are my two.
Are you presenting today?
I am. Yeah, I'm presenting in Best Director.
Okay. No clue, but I won't ask for a clue.
Can't.
What's next for yourself?
We've started filming our second
Cyfweliadau?
series of Cyfweliadau, yeah, in about 5 weeks' time. Yeah, so we've written it's all written, and we start filming in the end of May.
Okay.
Yeah.
And just quickly, we're from Wales. Do you know any Welsh? Can you speak any Welsh?
No.
I saw you in the producers in Cardiff.
Oh, did you?
Yes,
Yeah, I did the last 2 weeks of the producers. Yeah, I loved it. Yeah, great.
Yourself and Peter Kay.
With Peter Kay, yeah.
Yeah.
That was madness.
And
Yeah.
you didn't pick any Welsh up at all? Any signs?
No, I didn't. No, they were very friendly though. That's what I remember.
There you go.
And you are too.
Thank you very much. Can I teach you one? Diolch yn fawr.
Diolch yn fawr.
Thank you very much.
What have I just said?
That is, thank you very much.
All right, great. Thank you very much.
Enjoy your evening. Pleasure to meet you.
Take care.